How are you guys? So I've been a bit slack the last week or so. Haven't been able to get in the shed. So what I wanted to do, my channel's growing very slowly, slowly but surely. So we've got up to about 81 subscribers. What I wanted to do was to give you guys somehow. I've started trying to think about it. Give you guys an opportunity to win something. You guys have come on board early, and I just want to do a giveaway. It's nothing massive. It'd just be like a $50 Bunnings voucher, something like that. So I've tried to work out a way of doing it. One of the problems is on YouTube, if you sub like privately, obviously I've got say 81 followers, but I can only see about 20 or so of you. So so I can't see whether you're following or not. So I can't just download a list and then draw a name, which is what I would have done. So what I might do is try to make this video as inconspicuous as possible. So just the guys or just the people that watch the video and comment something down below, say give me the voucher or I'm in or something like that, and then I'll in about a week I'll pull the results and we'll grab I'll send it out to someone. If you're not in Australia, we need to work something out, something of equivalent value, online voucher. But this isn't a subs grab either. This is literally it's the only way I could do it other than going over to Instagram. But over there I've got a bunch of followers as well, but they and a lot of them, I've got more followers there than I have on YouTube. So I didn't want to this is sort of YouTube specific, so I didn't want to go over there to get obviously I'll put something on Instagram, and if the Instagram followers come over and follow on YouTube, great. So it's obviously we're going to get a few people that stumble over the video and then sub beforehand, and then there's not much I can do about it. So just in the bottom under this video, just write a comment. Now I haven't done much in the shed at all as far as update. I think it's the first time I've been in for a week or so because work's been flat out. I think last weekend it just rained almost non-stop. The hoist over there still hasn't got much love, so I'm hoping to do that this weekend. It's Thursday afternoon at the moment. So anyway, guys, love your work. Get in the shed, and we'll see who gets the voucher.